Access denied. Please try again.
So let's check this out. This is a brand new platform. It's called the People's Prompt. And I believe it's available in a few different forms. You can use it on your phone, I believe, as well. And I just heard about it. It's really exciting. Here I am on the sign up page. The cool thing about this is that it's really just like a marketer's dream toolkit as far as AI goes. It simplifies everything you could really need for generating content. So I run a lot of Facebook ads, for instance, and this on its own can create the Facebook ad copy for me. All I have to do is tell it who I'm trying to target. And it looks like it will go in here. It also can generate Instagram captions. I'll log in since I already had logged in. Actually, let's sign up with a different email. There we go. And so here we are. Look at all these tools that we can use. It's really cool. So you can actually, you can decide here, like, what do you want it for? Let's just say we're doing some e-commerce, and I'm working on a website for Shopify or whatever, and I want to have a customer service help desk. You can get started with that. There are options for that, which is amazing. Product description generator. This is the coolest thing ever. Product descriptions are a big pain in the butt, especially, from an SEO standpoint, and just, you got to get it right. You got to make sure you're describing things it takes a lot of thought. So let's just say, for instance, I'm going to, let's just say dish towel, red dish towel, bright colors, soft to the touch, picks up messes. Let's just say the audience is, I don't know, let's just say, I hate to be, I don't know. Let's just say moms. I hate to do that. Moms and dads. How about that? Number of generations. Let's do 3. Generate. Let's see what we get. Sweet. Okay, so this is actually really perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So, this gives me the exact description that I could possibly need. Everything I could need in it, which is great. I'm imagining building out a Shopify store and running ads on it, and really not having to kind of lift a finger as far as copy goes, because I got the copy here describing the product, and then I can actually use some of this to formulate my Facebook ads. So I could go back here to all tools, and now I can run Facebook ad copy. If you look at this, all you got to do is input the product. So let's just say red dish towel, and the target is mom and dad's, and it's generating Facebook copy for me too. This is killer. Sweet. And I even have hashtags. I got emojis. I'm stoked. I'm definitely going to be using this, and I'm going to be sharing this with everybody I know, everybody in the marketing world, everybody that runs a business. This is going to help so many people. I'm really excited about it.
Access denied. Please try again.